Alright folks, welcome to this new video. First of all, Happy New Year everyone, and may this new year all your dreams turn into reality. So, try to focus on this video because believe me, if you focus on this one and you will try to follow the steps that we will show on this video, you will become profitable on this new year, okay? So, first of all, I want to start with a quote that I love so much for Mr. Richelle Goodrich that said, sketch it again, run it again, try it again, because again is a practice, and practice is improvement, and improvement only leads to perfection. And this is what we are trying to do right here as a team on Simple Fractals. We are trying to improve our systems, to upgrade our systems and our strategies, and we'll try to share it with you so everyone can benefit from this. So, before we represent the new upgrade that we have made on our systems and that we have been working on for the last year, 2024, we need to understand one of the most powerful models on fractal geometry that is called the TCW or trend child wave model. So the trend child wave model means a downtrend and then a small wave in this way, and we'll call it a child wave or CW. And then we must have a bigger wave in this way that we'll call it a mother wave, okay? But right here, we need to have a self-similarity. This means that we need to have the same details between the mother wave and the child wave, okay? So in this way, when we have the touch of the trend line right here the third time, we'll take a long position to break the high of the mother wave, okay? So we'll see how our new systems will help us to locate these fractals and how we'll trade them on the charts, okay? So, for example, right here on the gold chart, let's check one of the examples. So, right here, when we turn on the indicator, the simple fractals level indicator, we'll see that this indicator has located this range, and we have said before that when we are looking for a trend child wave model, we'll look for this quarter right here or this area right here for a trend child wave model, okay? So it's not that accurate, okay? It needs deep understanding for the fractal nature of financial markets, so you can come to this fractal right here. And we have done this before. We take a lot of trades using this system before. But as I said before, we are trying every time to improve because this topic of fractal geometry is not well known on the world, and there are some few people who are working to improve this system on the financial markets. So with the new update that we have done, and from here big shout out to all the engineers that contribute to develop this indicator, our new system for this new year 2025 will locate exactly the place where you have the trend child wave model. So when we turn on the indicator, and right here we'll see that we have these two vertical yellow lines in this way. This means that this one is a trend child wave model, okay? So downtrend, child wave, and then a mother wave, and from here we'll take a long position, okay? So the same thing right here, downtrend, child wave, and then we'll have the mother wave. And from here, that's it. We'll draw our trend line, wait for the price to develop, and this is essential, okay? We'll wait for the price to develop. Once the price touch this trend line, we'll execute our long position. Very nice. Right here we have the touch. So this will be our execution right here. And we said that our target will be the high of the mother wave. So this is the CW and this is the mother wave right here. This is the high. So we'll target this high right here, okay, in this way. And of course, we can keep our stop loss right here in this way. So this is our latest update for the new year. This is how this indicator works. And of course, you will notice that indicator will not change the area. It will be fixed until the model will be finished, okay? In this way. So it's very, very essential to wait for the price to develop right here. Of course, you can take a short position right here using the Y model, and this is another topic. Maybe we'll do it on the next videos. But right here, it's better to wait for the price to develop and from here to take the long position. In this way, you will increase the quality of your trades, okay? And as a fractal right here, the fractal will be from the beginning of the child wave right here to the high of the mother wave. You will take it in this way and then you will scale it, okay? And of course, you will notice there is a lot of self-similarity, especially in this wave right here, the same thing right here. So it's 100% self-similar, okay? So, and of course, you can put the second take profit right there. It depends on you. There is no issue. So let's see another example so we can understand better the idea. Go to Nvidia. So on Nvidia right here, we have talked before about this stranded child wave model. I was already explaining this one to one of the students. So if we go back right here, this is a downtrend, and this is a child wave, and this is the mother wave. So even if I don't notice this by my eyes, okay, the indicator will give me a signal that right here there is a trended child wave model, okay? So as you can see right here, what we have a downtrend, we have a child wave, and right here the indicator give us a sign that this is a mother wave right here, and we have a trended child wave model. So what we'll do, we'll take our fractal that will be from the beginning of the child wave to the high of the mother wave, and then we'll scale it from here. Make sure that the high with the high and the low with the low, and from here we'll wait for the price to reach this level, and then we'll execute our long position, okay? So our long position will be from this level right here, okay? Target this high right here in this way. And of course right here, we said that this is a trend child wave model, so you should have the third touch of the trend line right here, okay? Or just to keep this away and also this one away. So right here, you should have the first touch of the trend line, the second touch, and on the third touch, you will execute your long position right here. And for the take profit, when you scale your fractal in this way, your take profit will be right here, okay? So this is how it works using the new system, okay? Of course, if you have any question about this system, don't hesitate to contact our support. And on the next days, we'll try to upload more educational videos and more trades using this indicator so everyone can get the idea how to use this one. Of course, we'll try to see a third example and then we'll finish the video. So keep watching. So, of course, right here we'll hit take profit, the full take profit. So we'll see another example. We can go to the 30-minute. Okay, so go right here to this chart in this way. We'll try to see what our system has to tell us. So right here, we can see that the fractal level indicator, the previous version, has already located this one. I need just to change the color. Okay, so has already located this one right here. So just from this one, you can take this fractal if you have the right knowledge, and you will know that this is a trended child wave model, okay? Right here you have a downtrend, you have a child wave, and then you will have the mother wave later to go long, okay? In this way. So this is using the previous version of the indicator, but with the new version, when we turn on the indicator, it will give us an idea that exactly right here we have a trended child wave model. So our trend child wave model will be from here to here in this way, and we can scale our fractal, okay? But here you can only take the uptrend before the trended child wave model. So in this way you have a more accurate scale. You will scale it to the upside and then to the downside. So now you have covered this pullback right here, and I want to emphasize on this idea. Try to cover all the wave right here, and later when the price will reach this level right here, we'll execute a long position to target this level right here. Okay, so right here the price reached the level, and from there we'll take our long position. Okay, so that's it all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact our support. And if you are interested to get the fractal and level indicator, the new version for the TCW model, you can visit our website simplesfractals.com and go to the down right here. This is the old version of the 2024, and this is the new version of 2025, the trend child wave fractal indicator. For 3 months, $500, and you get a free session for 40 minutes with one of our mentors who will guide you and who will explain to you on more details how to use it. And of course, on the upcoming days, we'll upload more educational videos, as I said before. So that's it. Thank you so much. Have a nice weekend.